following areas in Maine: central Somerset, northern Franklin and northern Oxford, and the following areas in New Hampshire. Clause. Locations: the mountains of New Hampshire and western Maine. Hazard types: dangerously low wind chills. Wind chill readings as low as 35 below. Timing: through mid-morning. Impacts: potential frostbite and hypothermia. Winds, northwest 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour. A wind chill warning means the combination of very cold air and strong winds will create dangerously low wind chill values. This will result in frostbite and lead to hypothermia or death if precautions are not taken. An Arctic cold front